One of the most important systems that function in our bodies without our oversight is the immune system. It is a system which resembles types of walls, moats, shields, and armor, which fend off attacks by bacteria and other chemicals or noxious agents. Parts of the immune system are lymphocytes, monocytes, and neutrophils, which are white blood cells. The function of the immune system is to protect the host from anything that is not part of the host by recognition of foreign bodies and attacking them and recognition of agents of the body and preserving them. The immune system is also composed of T cells. This might be rather academic for many of us. The immune system is also composed of T cells and T receptors. These are usually called the warriors of the body. The activation of these defense mechanisms can sometimes go wrong and can cause a response to some self-generated agents and can attack these factors or those factors, what we know as autoimmune responses, leading to diseases such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, chronic diarrhea, and bowel dysfunction. Some of the body's defense mechanisms are located in the spleen, which is activated by toxic materials circulating in the body, lymph nodes, which will react to foreign substances in the tissues, the tonsils and adenoids, which are formed of lymphoid tissues. During my generation, tonsillectomies and adenoidectomy was very, very popular. Nowadays, most pediatricians and surgeons recommend that these areas do not be removed because they're very important as far as maintaining the immune system. Okay, the bloodstream monocytes. In the bloodstream, monocytes become phagocytes in the presence of any foreign substance and engulf and digest and eliminate them. Phagocytes are the parts of the immune system that eat up waste material. Okay. In addition to monocytes, we have neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils circulating in the bloodstream. Each has a specific way of eliminating bacteria from entering the tissues or blood. Lymphocytes are another group of cells used for defense. They include B cells, which are developed in the bone marrow, and T cells that are located in the thymus gland after formation in bone marrow. When the host is attacked by bacteria, viruses, or chemical insults, there is a trigger mechanism which releases protein like C minus reactive protein and lectin. These proteins are fabricated in the liver, and their function is to limit tissue injury and enhance host resistance to infection, diminish inflammation, and promote tissue repair. Possible symptoms of immunodeficiency are recurrent sinus infections, sepsis, pneumonia, lymphadenopathy, chronic dermatitis, gastrointestinal bleeding, diarrhea, recurrent fungus infections, chronic oral gingivitis, recurrent aphthous ulcers. Those are the white areas sometimes you find along the mucosa, buccal mucosa, or in the mouth. Insomnia and sleep disorder. There are ways of upgrading the immune system. The need to eliminate irritants to the digestive and respiratory systems are essential. Some ways of achieving this are Eliminate alcohol, no smoking, no use of leisure drugs, eliminating processed meats and other foods containing preservatives and additives. Consume less sugar. Increase intake of water and pure liquids. Try to get 8 hours of sleep daily. Make sure to avoid stasis in the GI system. The body tends to function best when it follows the same routine on a daily basis. Eating, sleeping, use of bathroom are prime examples of this. This was written by Dr. Robert Reese, and he apologized for not being here today.